Class Physics Unit 7 Properties of Matter. Question 1. What is the property of matter that determines its ability to change shape? Answer: plasticity. Question 2. Which of the following is a characters of a solid? Answer: phase, shape and volume. Question 3. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to resist change in shape? Answer: elasticity. Question 4. Which of the following is an example of homogeneous mixtures? Answer: air. Question 5. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to flow? Answer: fluidity. Question 6. Which of the following is a characters of a liquid? Answer: variable shape and volume. Question 7. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to change shape permanently? Answer: plasticity. Question 8. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to conduct heat? Answer: thermal conductivity. Question 9. Which of the following is an example of conductor? Answer: metal. Question 10. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to conduct electricity? Answer: electricity conductivity. Question 11. Which of the following is an example of an insulator? Answer: plastic. Question 12. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to be magnetized? Answer: magnetic permeability. Question 13. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to absorb and emit radiations? Answer: radiosity. Question 14. Which of the following is an example of a black body? Answer: a perfect absorber and emitter of radiation. Question 15. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to absorb and emit light? Answer: absorptivity. Question 16. Which of the following is an example of a transparent material? Answer: glass. Question 17. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to transmit light? Answer: transmittance. Question 18. Which of the following is an example of an opaque material? Answer: metal. Question 19. What is the properties of matter that determines its ability to absorb light? Answer: absorptivity. Question 20. Which is the following is an example of a luminous material? Answer: plastic. Question 21. Which of the following is an example of luminous material? Answer: luminosity. Question 22. Which is the properties of matter that determines its mass per unit volume? Answer: volume. Question 23. Which of the following is an extensive property of matter? Answer: mass. Question 24. What is the SI unit of density? Answer: kg, kilogram per liter. Question 25. An object with particles close together and vibrating, describe a dash. Answer: solid. Question 26. A burning candle is an example of dash state of matter. Answer: gas, liquid, solid. Question 27. During which process a gas become a liquid dash? Answer: condensing. Question 28. A solid can dash. Answer, have a fixed shape. Question 29. If a gas is heated in a sealed cylinder, then dash increase. Answer, all of them. Question 30. What happens to the molecules of a gas when the answer the move closer and lose energy?